Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and we will get to it and I shall show you my drawings for this evening. So this is number 10 I think it is for the day. Sorry for the light catching that way. It's that time of night and it's glorious outside. So all three I utilised a good speed, which was actually 3 minutes or less. Usually it's 4 minutes per sketch, but it is 3 minutes now because I'm getting faster, more effective and utilising the time more efficiently. So between 1 and 2, I feel, no, sorry, 1 and 3, I feel like I got the closest to the reference photo, and number 2 was, it's too boxy and too masculine looking compared to the original photo, and even then it's slightly too joyish, but compared to that one you can see. So yeah, it's still a learning progress, and the reason I'm doing these is to show myself and keep myself accountable for gaining the practice and experience and utilising the learning methods appropriately. So geometric and observational methods were utilised for number 1, number 2. Number 3 was observational and gestural only. Purely I wanted to see if I could do this sketch, the sketch utilising only those two. So let me know what you think, and also thank you so much to my subscribers. Bye guys.